But no, man, the beautiful thing about jiu-jitsu is you can do it till you die, you know? What I suggest is don't put too much pressure on yourself.
Yeah.
Go in there, have fun, learn the moves, try the moves.
Yeah.
This is the problem, and this is how people get injured. They don't want to lose in the gym so badly that if they don't know the technique, they're going to try to muscle it. They're going to try to use athleticism and all these attributes. But you can't have an ego in the gym.
No.
All that's going to do is delay the inevitable.
Yeah.
What you have to do is blindly try the things you're learning. It's going to fail.
Yeah.
100% it's going to fail.
Yeah.
Probably the first 200 times you try it. And then you work the kinks out.
Okay.
So, like, I teach you an arm bar. You go try it on him. It fails. He's better than you.
Yeah.
Okay? Well, instead of you getting emotional about it, right, and saying, damn it didn't work, you say, okay, you come to me. You say, I tried that arm bar, and he did this specific thing.
Yeah.
How do I stop it, or what do I do? How do I deal with that? And then I tell you, do this, this, and this, or you missed this, or your timing was off, whatever it was. Then you go back, you try it again, you fail again for a completely different reason. And you come to me and you say, I tried it, now he did this. Okay. But you have to experience that first.
Yeah.
I can't sit here and teach you an arm bar and then list all 10,000 things he can do to stop you.
You got to actually feel it.
Yeah.
Good point.
You have to go through that.
Yeah.
Now, if you are big and strong, there's guys at my gym that are nowhere near your size that are like blue belt level that you will probably be able to smash through with your muscles. And you're not going to learn shit doing that.
Nothing.
Right.
So if you decide to resort to that because you don't want to lose,
That's a good point.
you're not learning.
Yeah, and
you know?
and I'll speak from personal experiences. We talked about the ADCC, which is the Abu Dhabi Grappling Championships that you have there every 2 years. And there's a guy from South Africa called Mark Robinson, right? Strong man, an insane grappler, but he learned the skill set with his strength. And the first time I ever went to do grappling when in my 20s, I got this monster gorilla, and he dropped me on my head in 3 seconds. And then I thought when I took the smaller instructor on, it would be different, but it happened the same way. It didn't change. The outcome didn't change. And I've had that problem of going and rolling and being so super competitive that I don't want to lose that I muscle out, and all I've had is injuries. When I went to your school the last time, I kind of let that go, right? I put ego aside and said, I'm just going to go and enjoy the process and try and learn those movements without putting the physicality into it and being okay. Like, you're going to get tapped out. It's not a competition, it's a chess game.
Exactly.
Right? In order to win, I have to go through the moves. Yeah. And when I applied that, I had a great session with Ryan Reeves, who's going to be in ICHAPS. Yeah. It was awesome. And it was the first time that I realized, okay, there's a way to do this without hurting yourself, especially for bigger guys out there. And there's a lot of big guys out there that want to go try this, but are scared. And the same thing is, they pick your ego up, put it at the door, go experience it. Be okay if the girl of 100 pounds taps you. She's going to.
Yeah.
Be okay with it, and then ask her, how did you do that? Explain the process to me. Figure out how to move. And it's really is an important factor. Is like you cannot go in there with ego.
No, you can't. You just got to go in there and play the game. If I was to play chess with you, we were playing chess together. How big and strong you are doesn't matter, for one.
Good point.
Number two, if I knocked your pieces over because I was angry, I did not win the chess game. I didn't. I have to play the game, right? So that's really important to understand. I wouldn't say most people, a lot of people cannot do that.
Yeah, they can't let it go.
They can't let it go. They have to win.
Yeah.
And, a lot of my competitors have a hard time with that, but it's like, you will win later.
Yeah.
You're trying to chase instant gratification, and you're not going to get it.
I relate this to, like, hearing you talk about all this. And I told you before, I'm a baseball guy, and I think back to when I was coaching that travel team, the way I was raised with baseball, with kids especially, and I feel like this is similar to jiu-jitsu, where you've got to learn your core fundamentals and learn how to play the game the right way, learn how to perform jiu-jitsu the right way fundamentally, and then the winning will be the byproduct at a later time.